Hello, in front of me I've got a Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match, and enable OK Google function. Tap next, agree, continue, and now let's try it out. OK Google. Hey Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now let's go back, enter lock screen, and make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, OK Google. Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.